Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Node.js in VS Code. Complete process I'm going to show you step by step. So do watch video till end. So guys, for running Node.js in VS Code, you need to install Node.js as well as VS Code. So let me first show you how to install Node.js. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Node.js download. And here guys, you can see the official website nodejs.org. You need to just click on this link. So guys, it will take you to download page of Node.js, and here you can see download Node.js, and here we have get Node.js, and in drop down you can see the current release and the LTS. So guys, we will not be selecting this option. Just scroll down. Guys, here you can see we have option get a pre-built Node.js for operating system Windows it is showing, and then architecture. And now here I will be clicking on this button, Windows installer. So it will download MSI file. And guys, you can see the download has been started. And herein guys, you can see the download is done. Now to install it, I will click on this MSI. Let me close my browser. And here is the welcome screen. I'm simply going to click on this next button. And now guys, here it's asking me license and agreement. So I'm going to check mark this, I accept, and I'm going to click on this next button. Now guys, this is the installation location for Node.js. In this folder, your Node.js will install. So I will click on next button. Now here it is showing custom setup. If you want to deselect anything, you can. I'm keeping everything default and I'm clicking on next button. So guys, here we have option for installation of Chocolatey. So I don't want to install it. I'm going to click on this next button. Now here I'm going to click on install button to start the installation. So guys, my installation has been started. It will take a while. And guys, my installation is done. Here it's showing me Node.js installation completed, and we have finish button. So I will click on this finish button. Now guys, let's verify the installation whether it has been installed successfully or not. So for that, I'm just typing cmd in search box and I'm opening my command prompt. So here I'm simply typing node, and now guys, here I can type any command whatever I want. So I'm just simply typing console.log. This is a message which I want to just print. So done guys, I'm just hitting enter key and you can see it's showing me my output. So guys, Node.js installation is done. Now you need VS Code. In my system, I'm having already VS Code installed. If you don't have VS Code, you can just check out my video. I have given link in description box. So now I will start my VS Code. Here I'm simply closing this command prompt and starting my VS Code. Okay, my VS Code has been started. Whatever page were open, I have just closed that. And now I need to open one folder. So for opening folder, you can go to file menu and here select option open folder and browse whatever folder you want. Wherever you want to save your program, you need to browse that folder. So here I'm simply creating one folder on desktop CS corner and I'm taking that folder. Okay, so my folder has been opened. If it asks you some permissions, trust whether the folder, trust on folder, something like that, then you can accept that. So here my folder has been open. Now I will go to this option, this three dot, and here I'm going to select terminal and new terminal. So you can see my terminal has been started, and here it's by default PowerShell. I want to change it to command prompt. Even you can run on PowerShell also. So now here I'm going to type one command, npm space init. Okay, so you can see here the path, I'm there in CS corner folder. So whatever file will be created, that will be created inside CS corner folder. So guys, after typing this command, you can see it's showing the package name. So this package name is nothing but my folder name. So here it's showing me CS corner. Whatever folder name you have given, it will show you that. Okay, so you don't have to do anything, just hit enter and then it will show you version. So 1.0.0 and description. If you want to enter something, you can enter. Here I'm just entering first app. Okay, so any description you want to enter, you can enter there. Then entry point, it's showing index.js. So we will be creating index.js file. That will be my entry point. And test command, do not do anything, just hit enter. Git repository, hit enter. Keyword git, hit enter guys. Author, hit enter. For everything after that you need to hit enter, and then licenses, hit enter. Then it will ask you, is this okay? So we need to simply type yes. Okay, so you can see here package.json file is created, and whatever details we have provided, everything is over here. Correct. So in this JSON file, we have main colon index. So this is our main file. So now I'm going to create this file inside my CS Corner folder. So for that, just click on this plus button and write index.js. Okay, so now here we have to write some code. So that code I'm going to take from Node.js documentation. That's a code, standard code. You can just refer it. So here on browser, I'm just searching Node.js documentation. And in this uses an example, I'm just going to this example part, uses an example. I'll just scroll down, and here there is a code. Okay, hello world.js. So I'm simply going to copy this code rather than typing. So let me just do that. I have just copied it, and I'm going to paste this in my index.js. So here I have just pasted it, and you can press Ctrl S, and you can press Ctrl S, or if it is auto save, then it will be saved automatically. Now here you can see we have require node colon http and host name. Since we are running on our system, so it's showing host name as 127.0.1, and the default port number is 3000. And you can see we have a message create server. Okay, and then we have a method server.listen where we are passing port number and host number, and then console.log. So this is some message server running. So this is the code of my index.js. Now let's run. So here on command prompt, I'm going to simply write node space index.js, and I'll hit enter. And guys, you can see it's showing me message server running at http://127.0.0.1:3000. That means your host name it is showing and the port number it is showing. Okay, so now if you want to see the output, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to this URL. So here you can, on browser you can type, or here simply just click on this URL. So you can see it has open browser. You can see it has open browser, and here we can see the output. Here you can see the URL. It's showing 127.0.0.1. That is nothing but IP address of a server, and after that it's showing the port number. Okay, so this way you can run your program on browser, index.js program. So guys, that's all. I conclude my video. Guys, this way you can run your Node.js program in VS Code. I hope you really like this video. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button. And if you have any query, you can post in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. You can send me on my IG also, but before that you need to follow. Otherwise, your message will not come. All my social media link I have given in description box. Certainly you can join or follow there. And guys, you can share my videos to your friends also if you really like the video. And guys, you can share my videos to your friend if my videos are really helping you. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.